All right, you've made it to Unit 4. Welcome. This is probably my favorite unit just because we get to apply all of those things that we learn in here to our real wardrobes in our real lives. In this unit, we're covering modules 12 through 15, but something really special to note is that these do not line up with your textbook chapters. So you'll have supplementary readings, we'll have several videos, some TED Talks, and other things to look at in order to obtain that information. So just don't forget, these do not line up with your textbook. So do you remember back in a previous module where we talked about clothing quality? I think it was module 6. We're going to finally take that and apply that to what we call a modular or capsule wardrobe, seeing if we can figure out what pieces do we need, what do we already have, and this will directly tie into our dressing for success because we're going to create that modular wardrobe system that will meet your needs both personally and professionally. To finish out this unit, we're going to look at the principles and elements of design. Normally you hear about this in design like for art or for home, but here we're applying it to clothing, where lines are, what is asymmetrical balance, what is symmetrical balance, all of those things applied to the clothing industry. And then our last module, the consumer issues that customers are facing, that we're facing, that the fashion industry is facing. It's probably my favorite module just because we get to actually talk about current issues happening in the world. Things that can we address? Does the fashion industry need to answer to these things that are happening? Are they really big problems or are they just things that we can look past? We'll look at all kinds of different topics that you're going to pick from, lots of discussion. That's probably why it's my favorite. And it kind of helps us wrap up everything from our previous modules and unit all the way until now. So it's my favorite, a good way to end this semester. So I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget about journal reflections and all of these final last assignments because there are several and I don't want you to get bogged down and forget about something. So pay special attention to that schedule and just make sure that you really finish strong. I've had a great semester and let's finish out Unit 4.